bring out that bottle of wine for that special occasion. If you don't drink wine, bring out food. If you don't want to eat food, drink water and watch the movie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are here today with another interesting topic due to this special season coming up, which is Valentine's Day. From the title below, you know that this is some ideas on gifts you can give on a budget or things you can do just to show your loved ones that you love them on Val's Day on a budget. Okay, so keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so anytime we upload a video you would know. And let's get right on to the video. So tip number 1 would be write a letter to the person. Say like give yourself 10 reasons why you love that person and why you appreciate that person for being in your life, and just write a letter to the person. If you don't know how to write a letter, then maybe do like a voice recording or a voice note for the person and send it to the person on the morning of Valentine's Day, just to show that you love the person or appreciate the person. Tip number 2 would be to make a video of you guys, like from previous videos you guys have had or from previous pictures. Combine it together. Just make like a short clip that you can send to the person and maybe type out some things, some love messages to the person on that morning. You know, type it out on the video, post it, send it to the person, and the person will feel appreciated. Another thing you could do is buy the person a gift basket. So buy a basket, go to say Walmart or any shopping mall and add different items that you think the person needs or you think the person will appreciate or you think the person would like. You know, add things like chocolate, biscuits if the person eats that. If the person does not eat that and the person is healthy, you can go and buy like a fruit or order like a fruit arrangement for the person, and the person will actually appreciate that. You could also buy flowers and cards and just write a message, or even that morning send something as easy as a text message to the person, telling the person how much you love the person and appreciate the person. Another tip again you could do would be to cook a special dinner, make the person's favorite food, clean up the house, dress up nicely, and let the person enjoy themselves. Quality time together, spend quality time together. Another thing you could do again is select a movie that you know you guys want to watch. Put on candle lights in the room, pour flowers all over the place. You know, that is at night when, if you have kids, your kids are sleeping. But if you don't have kids, then you can do it anytime during the day. Bring out that bottle of wine for that special occasion. If you don't drink wine, bring out food. If you don't want to eat food, drink water and watch the movie. Honestly, because I don't know what else to tell you. If you don't eat food, you don't drink wine, you don't drink soda, you have to drink water at least. So get your water, pour it in a glass, or tea or coffee, cuddle on the couch, watch that movie, spend quality time. All these little things actually do matter a lot. Another tip you could give that you don't have to spend would be give the person a body massage, okay? When the person wakes up in the morning, you know, when it's still quite early, you can just get like your oil, your body oil, and give the person a nice, good massage, and the person would love that. Another thing you could do again without spending money could be, what else? I'm trying to think. Send the person a text message. Compose the message before that day so that the first thing in the morning, maybe if you even want to go the extra mile, you can set your alarm by 12:01 a.m. If you don't want to do that and you love your sleep so much, then sleep. And first thing when you wake up, you just send the message to the person and the person will read it and you would put a smile on the person's face. Valentine's Day shouldn't be all about, money, 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 spend this, spend that. It's supposed to be a love day, showing appreciation to your loved ones, telling them that you actually love them and showing them through your actions. You don't have to have money. If you have money, go all the way. You can even buy the person a car if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, that shouldn't be an excuse, okay? You can show the people that you love appreciation even without having the cash. So these are my tips on things you can do on a budget without spending so much money or without spending any money at all, to show your loved ones that you appreciate them. Let me know if you have any other ideas in the comment section, or if you would take one or two of my tips. Which one do you actually prefer? Is it the text message or is it the massage or the dinner? I don't know. Tell me which one you prefer in the comment section, and give this video a like if you liked it. Share so that it could help men and women in the world to prepare for Valentine's Day. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you back in my next video. Bye.